Hi guys, today we are making an amazing and delicious cucumber salad. I hope you like it. Keep on watching to find out how I made it. And to do this, I used 2 cucumbers that I'm gonna cut into round shapes. I'm using my potato peeler to cut, but you can use a knife to do this as well. So guys, you can cut into your desired shapes, but this is what I decided to go with, and this is just to show you that you can as well cut these neat shapes using just a knife. And guys, always remember to clean your cucumbers or any vegetables for that matter before using them for salad. And at this point I was through with the cutting. Now this is a step that you can skip if you do not like onions, but I like to add onions into my cucumber salad. Just go ahead and chop 1 onion and then add it into the cucumbers. Now moving on, I added 1 cup of hot water, but I will be adding more later. And then I went ahead and added 2.5 cups of white vinegar. And here we are making the marinade that we are going to marinate the cucumbers in. And also I added 1 cup of sugar, but you can adjust these depending on your liking and preferences. And also keep tasting this marinade just to ensure that it's to your liking. So just mix that with a whisk. You can use a fork or even a spoon or a wooden mwiko if you do not have a whisk, just to ensure that the sugar dissolves completely. And like I said before, if you like your cucumbers too sweet, add some sugar, and if you like it tangy, go ahead and add some white vinegar. Like you see on the video, I kept tasting mine just to ensure that it was right. And after the mixture is ready, now go ahead and add your onions and your cucumbers into the mixture. So guys, the idea is to ensure that the cucumbers and the onions are fully covered with the water mixture. That is the marinade that we made, like to ensure that they are drowning fully inside the water. Ensure that your hands are clean when you're doing this process. And guys, since you're going to keep it in the fridge, ensure that you use an airtight container. Like you see the one that I used, mine, it is airtight, that does not allow any air in or out. And just secure it nicely and put it in the fridge up to the next day. Guys, this is the next day, like approximately 24 hours after putting it in the fridge yesterday, and at this point the pickles are ready. Remember, you can keep these pickles in the fridge for as long as you like. I prefer to keep mine for a maximum of 7 days. So guys, the salad is ready to serve, and for your information, you can add more cucumbers into the mixture. Do not discard it away after serving this batch. Guys, I am addicted to this salad. Since I learned this recipe, I have been making it every time. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy making your salad. Thank you so much for watching. Do not leave without watching another video on this channel, and guys, I hope to see you on my next video.